2025 Ram 3500 Rebel isn't just a truck. It's a powerhouse built for those who demand extreme capability with rugged off-road dominance. If you're looking for a heavy-duty truck that can tow, haul, and conquer any terrain while still delivering next-level comfort, this beast is ready to take on anything you throw its way. Whether it's work, adventure, or both, the new Ram 3500 Rebel is here to redefine expectations. Ram has taken its legendary heavy-duty lineup and given it a serious off-road upgrade with the Rebel trim, making it the perfect blend of brute strength and all-terrain prowess. Beneath the hood, you get the option of a 6.7-liter Cummins Turbo Diesel, pushing 1,075 pound-feet of torque, ensuring massive towing power and endurance. If you prefer gas power, the 6.4-liter HEMI V8 delivers 410 horsepower, making sure there's no shortage of performance. A reinforced off-road suspension, skid plates, and Bilstein shocks give this truck an edge on rough trails, while the electronic locking rear differential ensures power is sent to the wheels that need it most. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or tackling rocky paths, the four-wheel drive system and 33-inch all-terrain tires keep you in control. The exterior design is bold and aggressive, commanding attention with its blacked-out grille, muscular fender flares, and Rebel badging. LED headlights and fog lamps cut through the darkness, while the powerful hood vents hint at the beast within. The high ground clearance and tow hooks make it clear that this truck is ready for adventure, while the optional Rambox cargo management system adds extra utility for storing tools and gear. From the job site to the backcountry, the 2025 Ram 3500 Rebel looks just as tough as it performs. Step inside, and you'll find that the Rebel trim isn't just about rugged performance, it's about premium comfort too. The cabin features durable yet luxurious materials, with available leather-trimmed seats, red Rebel stitching, and soft touch surfaces. A massive 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Uconnect 5, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto keeps you connected, while a premium 17-speaker Harman Kardon sound system delivers crystal-clear audio. The driver-focused cockpit features a fully digital gauge cluster, off-road pages, and a head-up display, ensuring you have all the critical information right in front of you. The 2025 Ram 3500 Rebel isn't just a truck, it's a statement. With unrivaled towing, unstoppable off-road capability, and a high-tech yet comfortable cabin, this is the heavy-duty truck built for those who refuse to compromise. Whether you're tackling a demanding job or venturing off the beaten path, the Ram 3500 Rebel stands tall as the ultimate blend of power, durability, and adventure-ready design.